Hello children, how are you? Welcome to your online classes. And in this science class, today we will do the book work of lesson number 5, the nervous system. So let us start our work. First work is on page number 59, activity 1. Circle the wrong word in each statement and write the statement with correct word. One off has been done for you. The first one, brain has 4 main parts. Do you know brain have only 3 main parts? So rewrite the sentence by using 3 instead of 4. Now second, cerebrum connects the brain to spinal cord. Now wrong word is cerebrum because cerebrum does not connect the brain to the spinal cord. It is medulla. Number 3, cerebellum functions even when we are sleeping. So cerebellum does not function when we are sleeping because it controls the voluntary muscles, and this is the medulla. Medulla controls all the involuntary muscles of our body, just like sneezing, yawning, heartbeat, digestion, etc. And number 4, medulla helps in maintaining body balance. That is the cerebellum. Now on page number 60, that is the activity number 2. Write 3 more examples of reflex action in the space given below. So reflection, what is reflex action? It is a sudden involuntary response and it is controlled by the spinal cord. Just like if you touch a hot iron, then you remove your hand immediately. That is controlled by the spinal cord. Now you have to write down 3 more examples which are caused by this reflex action. That is when your feet on a thorn, blinking of eyes and knee jerk. These are the other examples of the reflex actions. Now on same page, quick check. Name the parts of brain that controls the following. Thinking, cerebrum. Storage of information, cerebrum. Jogging in the park, cerebellum. Beating of the heart, medulla. Movement of the limbs, cerebellum. Moving away of hand on touching the hot iron, that is controlled by the spinal cord. Now on page number 63, name the sense organs responsible for the following. A child eating Karela soup, that is tongue. Ringing of a bicycle bell, ear. Spraying of paint, that is the nose. It smells the odor of the paint, or you can also tell the eyes, which can tell you about the color of the paint. Watering of the mouth on seeing an ice cream, tongue. Pinching someone on the arm, skin. Smell of a burning incense stick, nose. Reading a book, eyes. Now MCQs on page number 65. Which one of the following does not belong to the brain? Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla and retina. Retina, it belongs to the eyes. Which of the following helps in maintaining body balance? The different options are cerebellum, cerebrum, medulla and spinal cord. So right option is cerebellum. Which of the following is an odd one? Mixed nerves, neuron, lung and brain. The mixed nerve, neuron, brain, these are the parts of our nervous system. But lung, it is the part of our breathing system. So this one is the odd one. Number 4, which of the following nerve belongs to the eye? Auditory nerves, optic nerves, olfactory nerves and motor nerves. So right option is optic nerve. It belongs to the eyes. Leprosy is a dash disease. Different options are nose, eye, skin and ear. So right option is skin. Now fill in the blanks. A normal brain weighs about 1.5 kg. The bulb-like structure of the brain is known as cerebellum. Reflex action are quick and automatic. that are controlled by the spinal cord. The space inside the nose is called nasal cavity. Now number C, write true and false. The second largest part of the brain is cerebellum. That one is true. The spinal cord controls the automatic actions or activities, reflex actions of the body. That is true. The nerves are conductors of information from one part of the body to another. That is true. Internal organs transmit messages about our surroundings to the nervous system. That is false. The sense organs, they transmit the messages. Now on page number 66, match the columns, column A and column B. Cerebellum, it is the small brain, because cerebrum it is called the big brain and cerebellum it is called the small brain. Cerebrum, that is the ridges and furrows, it is having the ridges and furrows. Spinal cord, that is reflex action. Eye, that is cornea. And tongue, taste buds. Tongue it is has 4 taste buds: sour, bitter, sweet and salty. Now next, question number E, answer in one word. Outermost layer of an eye, that is called cornea. Images are formed on this part of the eye, that is called retina. This one, it is called retina. And nerves that connects nose to brain, that is the olfactory nerve. The nerve that connects ear to brain, that is auditory nerve. Now this is the end of your book work. Do this in your book and also learn it. This is the end of today's work. Have a nice day. Goodbye children.